Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time joining my YouTube channel, I just want to say a big welcome to you. Click on the subscribe bell so you can get more notification each time I post a video. Okay, now I'll be creating a church flyer design just like this in Photoshop. And in case you like my precept and you want to get most of the precepts I use for my pictures or my images, it's very fine. Join the Telegram channel. From there we can discuss and you can get it. Okay, now for this design, is very easy to do. What we just did was, this background is a single background. Now the resource that we used for this design minus the image of the pastor and the ministers are over here. Now if you double click on this, you can see this is it. So what we just need to do for this is drag and drop it into Photoshop. Make sure you adjust it, and now it has made everything easy for us, that you don't need to start struggling to get an image. Gemini helps you get an image. What you just need to do is go to your Gemini, click on the prompt you want, or in case you have any resource or effect you want from a particular design, drag the design to Gemini, then hit on your prompt. You can get whatever you want. Okay, now after doing this, what we just need to do next is the name, which is God Chaser. That's the title. So for this, we'll just convert to here, God, drop it, Control T, increase like this. Now for the tracking, you adjust the tracking, take it to 50. Let's see, 50. Good. So you're going to change the color. Let's see what color we're picking. Take it to this part. This is beautiful. Now if you're done with this, Control T on it again, then you increase it. Remember what we did, this part is going through this God, like that. Adjust it like this. This is beautiful. Then make sure it's very bold like this. So if you're done with this part, now all we just need to do is to zoom in. You can choose to reduce the opacity like this so you know what you're doing or see what you're doing. Now come over to your polygonal lasso tool, click on it, then make sure you trace well. Sorry about that. Make sure you trace it well like this. Come over to this place like this, like this. Right click on the God, then rasterize, then delete, then increase. Now Ctrl D to deselect. Can you see what we have? This is what we have. So if you're done with this part, you come over to this, your D. We'll do the same for the D. Zoom in like this. Like this. Like this. Deselect, then you take it forward. Now this is what we have. It looks as if it's going inside and like that, like that. You get the message, right? So if you're done with this part, we'll come over to the chaser. Now you come over to your text tool, then write your chaser. Hope this spelling is correct. Then for the chaser, we're going to change the font to Atom. Yes, Atom font. This is beautiful. So Control T on it, increase. We are still going to change this color. Increase. Now as you're increasing it, make sure you're looking at this guy over here, which is the tree over here. Now increase, and just like this. So for this now, you're just going to reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity. Then come to your polygonal lasso tool, then you can draw like this. like this, like this. You can delete, but it won't delete, so you need to rasterize it first. So you rasterize, you understand, then bring it back. This is what we have. Or because of this sign showing now, it's made it look like yes, this is truly holding it. You understand? Now this is beautiful. This is what we have. Then you come over to the guy, this guy over here. So what we just need to do for this is to reduce it like this. You reduce it. Are you seeing how we are trying to get everything we need? So still come over to your polygonal lasso tool. Then you can trace it like this. Press delete on it. Window D, then increase like this. Now can you see what we have? Now we've gotten this part, and this looks very beautiful. Now if you're done with this, you can see now it looking like the design itself. Then you can group this, Ctrl G to group, then you name it theme or whatever. Then now we're going to change the color. So what we're going to do is, this is the design itself, right? This is, so we're just going to pick the color. So I show you the color code. Now this is the color code. No, not this. So this is the color code in case you want to use it. So guys, this is what we have now. This is beautiful. So for the next step, all we're just going to do is the time it's happening. For that one, we don't need to write it. You know how we got it. It's just our text. So we're just going to drag and drop, not this. I'm going to drag and drop the time like this. Then what is this? Drag this also. So what is this? You drag this also. Ctrl C, then you take it over here, you paste, Ctrl V. So this is beautiful. Then you can then align it. Make sure it's well aligned. Alright, this is beautiful. So if you're done with this part, we're going to delete this date because we didn't get it well. We're going to delete it. Then we'll come over to, sorry for that, come over to this part. Then you can copy this, then paste. Then you take it up this way. Then your logo, I'm trying to make the video short. You Ctrl V on your logo, then you take your logo this way. Can you see what we have? Then now the next thing we need to do is the name and the pictures of the pastor and the members, which is the ministers. So I have their pictures over here. Oh, where are they? Yeah. So for the pictures, we're just going to drag and drop the pictures into Photoshop. So this is one of the picture like this. But for this now, we're going to take it outside this group. You know there are a lot of groups, so we're going to take it outside the group. Then leave it like this. Let's look for the next minister. Yes, this is the next minister. Right click, flip horizontal, adjust, adjust like this. So you just place like this. Then you go for the next minister. This guy over here. They are all singers. So you're gonna reduce this lady a little bit because she's a bit bigger than them. Hmm. This is now very small. So you take our clothes like this. Aha. So now you're going to group the three of them. Right click on it, convert to a smart object, Ctrl T, reduce a little bit, then bring them down to this part, increase a little bit. Thank you. This is beautiful. So if you're done with this part, hold Control, hold Shift and A, or you come over to your filter, come over to your camera raw filter. Then Tara, we are here. So we just load our preset. You can come over to your preset. So for us, this is our preset. Nations. Exactly. Okay. Now load our preset. If you are done loading your preset, come over to your adjustment, come over to your hue and saturation, make sure you clip marks on it, then your saturation, increase your saturation to the fullest, like this is what we have. Are you saying? So if you're done with this one, now we're going to do the same for the man of God. This is picture. So him, you just bring him this way, reduce a little bit like this. This is beautiful. So we just come over to our camera raw filter, then we apply the preset, then change it to white and black, like this, adjustment layer, hue and saturation, then clip marks on it, your saturation. Now this is what we have, guys. This is very beautiful to do in Photoshop. Now from this part you can start adding other effects you want to add to the design, like let's go back to like this effect. Now you can drag and drop it into Photoshop. Can you see? Come to your blend option, then start playing around your effects. Can you see? Add the layer marks to it, brush out this part. Can you see? Remove it from the image. Can you see the effect? Let's see the before and after. Before and after. So it's very visible. Then for this texture effect, drag and drop it into Photoshop, increase it like this. Aha, this is beautiful. Change the let's see, okay, let's use this. Add the layer marks, brush this part out. Okay guys, this is what we have. For more videos like this, don't forget to click on the subscribe bell. Till next time.